It's a boy squirrel. He's agitated. He's very agitated because I'm standing here. I was gonna go out there because right down there at the edge of the water we have some ducks. And this guy, he's back up on the bird feeder. I put 2 giant scoops of seeds in there this morning and they're already emptied out. And it's been the squirrels all morning. They haven't let the birds come and eat it all. So I'm going to open this door and he's going to jump. I don't want to scare him though. Oh, there he goes. All right, let me see if I can get this door open. Okay. It is so pretty out here today. Let's look down here. There, little duckaroos. It's the duck. Now, I don't see the swans. They're normally over there. And she's gone off the nest for the first time. Oh, look at this little dude here. He's squirreling around. And they all eat all the seeds that drop down there. And there's our buddy. He's in that tree. There's my wind chimes. And this is the Westminster. This is the bass. Tenor, an alto, and alto, soprano, and mezzo-soprano. And that's the wind chimes. Let's see what we got here. I guess there's a couple left in there, but not many. Pretty day, time to do spring cleanup. And I wonder where the swans went. She hasn't been off of there. She looked like she was building a nest. And she hasn't been off of it in 4 or 5 days. Now I don't see either one of them on this side of the lake. Maybe they decided to go back over to the other side. They've always built over on the other side. I was hoping they would build here this time. Oh, there's a little black squirrel. And those 2 ducks, they look like they're almost black. I've never seen such a dark duck. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. But anyway, nice pretty day. All right, love you all. Bye for now.